Sensodyne Pronamel. This is supposed to have 3 times stronger enamel protection. Clinical enamel strength. This is the whitening action version. It claims to repair up to 66% of enamel damage. Gives you 24 hours, 7 days a week protection. It's a very small tube. It's quite expensive. But I've used Sensodyne products in the past, and they've been very effective. Like within 3 days, the sensitivity is gone. I do want to maintain whitening for my teeth, so I got this. Oh, look at the bubble. How cute. Typically, Sensodyne products that I use are not best tasting. They're kind of a little bit chalky. They're not as minty fresh as things like Crest or anything like that. But I need the repair for my teeth more than I need taste. Pretty thick. It's not very foamy, and the taste isn't great. All Sensodyne toothpaste have a little similar flavor to them, but we're not using them for the taste always. Check in the text below the video, and also in the pinned comment, I'll provide links on how you can purchase these items for yourself. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thank you.